Yeah, good afternoon. Take out theme 1, course book, page number 7, everyone. Till page number 6 you have completed? Yes, show your thumbs if you have done. Page number 6, till page number 6. Yes, Suprati, good. Next. Remaining? Yes, Devansh, good. Page number till page number 6 we have completed. Till page number 6 did you all complete? Yes? Now come to page number, yes, Adya, good. Okay. Take out page number 7. Page number 7. Yeah, who will answer this? How many number keys are there on the keyboard? How many number keys? Who will tell this answer? Yes, Adya, tell me how many number keys are there in the keyboard?
10.
How many?
10.
Yes.
10, ma'am, teacher.
Yes, including 0, 10. Yes, Supratik? Tell ma.
24, ma'am. The longest key on the
What
keyboard.
24, Supratik? I am asking about numbers, not alphabets. Yeah, so first one is 1 second. Yes. Page number 7. Theme 1. All about myself, right? Now first one, A bit, A1 is how many number keys are there on the keyboard? 10 number keys. Which is the longest key on the keyboard? What always, Adya? Devansh? Devansh,
Yes, ma'am.
what you're doing? You're not writing?
Writing. Writing, ma'am.
Which is the longest key on the keyboard? I told. What is that? Yes, Adya already have answered. Good. Spacebar is the longest key. Now, how many enter keys are there on the keyboard? Who will answer these? Krishika. Krishika, tell me how many enter keys
Ma'am.
are there on the keyboard?
2.
Very good. 2. 2 enter keys. Now, how many arrow keys are there on the keyboard? How many arrow keys? Misbah, tell me.
Misbah ade pula.
How many arrow keys on the keyboard?
4. 4.
4.
Very good. Somebody answered. Okay. 4 arrow keys. Up, down, left and right. Okay. Now write this fast in your course books, everyone. So that we write down second one also. Write fast. So Dhruti, you have completed all the theme 1 course book, right? Is it Dhruti only who shared me the pictures now? Dhruti Rathi, where are you? Yeah. Dhruti,
Yes, ma'am.
you have completed full theme 1 course book, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. But I did not explain that, right?
You did not explain, but I did it.
Yeah. Completed, Nana, this one, everyone? Shreyan, completed?
Now I will start.
Writing? Right. Those who have completed, just raise your hands, ma, so that I can know that. Yes, Lohit, any doubt? Tell. Tell, ma.
Ma'am, I finished all the course book for team 1.
Okay, good. The remaining all children completed this page number 7, first one. Shall I go to second one? Okay, Kanishka completed. Remaining? Adya completed? Not completed? Okay, done. Suprati completed? Ashwita Nalla, you are writing, ma? Okay. Kartika, show me properly. Completed, yeah, okay. Manvit Raj, you have completed? Manvit Raj, did you complete? You are writing it, Manvit? Akshay Lakshmi completed? Show your thumb if it is completed. What is that you are answering? Tell me. Completed?
Completed.
Right. Shall I go to Shreyan completed? Okay. Shall I go to next page? Yeah. Open WordPad and type the following. First one is your name. Don't write anything. Wait. You don't write anything, ma. Your name, Next is what is that? Your age, your roll number, name of any animal, and name of any bird. Now you have to tell which keys are used for what. Yes. Name the keys that you have used to type the text above. So, your name. Which keys are used? Shreyan, tell me. To type your name, which keys will you use? Alphabet keys or number keys or enter keys or... Yes?
Alphabet keys.
Very good. So, we use alphabet keys for names, right? Yes. Next is Kartika Nalla. Tell me to type your age, which keys you have used? Like Kartika, tell me which keys will you use to type your age?
Your age and age.
Age, name, alphabet keys or number keys, or what type of keys will you use? Tell Kartika.
Number keys.
Yes, very good. Number keys.
Hey.
Yes, very good, Kartika. Age means number, right? So, number keys. And your rule number? Yes, Krishika, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
the number keys I want to tell answers, so I raise the hand.
Okay, right. So now rule number means what keys? Rule number?
Number.
Yes, rule number also number only, right? So number keys. Yes, Akshay Lakshmi, tell me next one. Name of any animal. Which keys will you use to type the name of any animal?
Alphabet keys.
Louder.
Alphabet keys.
Very good. Alphabet keys. Again, right. And name of any bird. Who will answer these? Devansh, no, Jay. Name of any bird, which keys, Mama? Nana? Who is this? Jay,
Yes.
tell me, which keys will you use to write name of any bird? Fast.
Alphabet keys.
Very good. Very good. Alphabet keys again. So write clearly. Yeah, clear to everyone, right? Write fast. I think till here we have completed one topic, keyboard. Now the next topic, yeah, write down. 5 minutes I will give you, write fast. Manvit, you are not writing, your grandmother is writing. Yes? I can see. What you are doing? Adya, sit properly, ma. Yes, ma. Riyansika, tell me. Tell me, Riyansika, any doubt?
Ma'am, it's pressed.
Okay, no problem. Okay, okay. So I hope you all completed. Next topic. Shall I go to next topic? Fast, Nana. Yes, completed, ma, everyone? Completed, everyone? Yes? So shall I go to next topic? Yeah. My next topic you are having is the concept of input, process, and output, right? Can anybody tell me what is input? Or tell me some input devices? Devansh? Devansh? Yeah, Lohit is rising hands. Tell me, ma, some of the input devices which you know, Devansh. What is input actually? Okay. Lohit, tell me. Tell
Ma'am,
Lohit.
I didn't try this one, ma'am.
Which one?
Page number 7, second bit.
You said you have completed full course book.
I didn't do little, ma'am.
Write fast. Yeah, right.
Two roll numbers about
Write fast, ma, Lohit.
roll numbers. UMB
Which one you are writing, Lohit?
C.
See, yeah, okay. Write fast. Completed. Okay, done. Right. Yes, ma, everyone. Now I'm starting a new topic, that is input, process, and output. Now, Misbah, tell me what is your doubt? Misbah, why did you raise your hand? Any doubt?
Mouse is input device.
Very good, very good, very good. Who else will answer? Input device. First of all, tell me what is input. Okay, mouse is an input device. Why? What is an input device actually? To whatever the device which we use to enter the data into the computer. Like keyboard, suppose you take for an example, keyboard, what we will do, we will type the letters which we can see on the screen, right? So that is nothing but we are entering the data into the computer. So that keyboard is nothing but input device, means we are giving instructions to the computer through the keyboard or mouse. That is why they are called input devices. And output devices means, obviously you know that we see the result on the whatever we have given instructions, where you will see that on the computer screen, or that is called monitor, right? So the monitor is called output device, means whatever the instructions we are given or whatever the data we have entered, that can be seen on the computer monitor, that is called output device. So what is process Actually, process means between the input and output, there is one procedure that is called process. Means we are giving instructions to the computer. What to do we are giving, right? And what is done, it is giving through output. What to do is we are giving, and the result it is giving in the form of output. In between, how to do, what is the process done actually? So that is nothing but process. So which is a device which is used to process the data of the computer? Anybody? The device used to process the data. Who knows? Just raise your hands. Processing device of the computer. Yes, Krishika.
CPU, ma'am.
Very good. CPU, central processing unit. Right. So like your brain is a processing device of your body. Similarly, CPU is a brain of the computer which is used to process the data. Suppose, for example, you are giving input 2 plus 3 is equal to how much? Right? 2 plus 3 is you are giving. What is the answer? 2 plus 3 is 5. Right? So that 5 is the result. But computer knows additions. In between that 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Whatever it is doing, the process it is doing, 2 plus 3 it is doing, right? So that is nothing but process. And who will do that processing in the computer? CPU, central processing unit. Right? Everyone? I'm sharing, you can see it. So input, after input processing is done. After processing only we will get the output, right? Suppose for example, mango mixie juice. So this is one example of input, process and output. IPO, input, process, output. IPO cycle, we call it as IPO cycle, input, process, output cycle. Means you can see the example mango. Mango is nothing but to, first of all, to have a juice, what we have to do? Ingredients are important, right? The things which we need are important. What are the things for making juice? Suppose for mango juice, mango, sugar and milk. They are called input. Means that we are adding, right? And what does the mixie will do? It will process, means it will mix all the ingredients. Means similarly processing also, CPU also will do the process, right? After that finally what we will get? The complete juice. That is nothing but output. So here mango is the input we are giving. Mixie does the process, then it will give juice as the output. So what is that cycle called? IPO cycle, input, process, output. The first letters of the input, process and output. IPO cycle. IPO cycle. Few examples I will show again. See here you can see I already told you input, process, output, mango pulp, sugar, milk, blending in the mixer, grinding and mango shake, right? Now some more examples. Yeah, already I told you some more examples. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is the input we are giving, and the output what it is giving? Result 5 it will give, right? And see here for making juice, cake. First of all, inputs are chapati maker, eggs, everything, right? The processor is what here? Oven. oven for baking the cake. Then final output, what it will give? A cake, right? So these are the few examples of input, process and output. And one more example is cooking rice. See here, rice. So what are the ingredients we want for make rice? First of all, what we will do, put rice into a rice cooker. That is input. We are giving rice as the input, right? Then what happens? The rice cooker will cook it. Process will be done in the rice cooker. Then again, what does the output we will get? The cooked rice, right? So putting rice is the input, cooking is a process done there, and finally cooked rice we will get, which is the output. Did you understood, everyone? Have you all understood, ma? Yes? So what is input, process and output? Yes, Adya? You want to say something? No? You understood what is input, process and output? Yes? What is IPO full form? Adya? IPO.
What important?
IP.
Input.
P means?
What, ma'am?
IPO full form. Didn't understood?
Input device.
No, I'm asking the full form of IPO. IPO means input, process and output cycle. IPO. I for input, P for process, O for output. Right? I for input, P for process, O for output. Right? That is IPO. I input, P process, O output. Clear? Yes? Who will tell me IPO? Advaita? Yeah, IPO full form, tell me.
I input,
Yeah,
P process,
yeah.
O output.
Very good. And one example, can you tell me for that?
Ma'am,
One example for in IPO cycle. I told you just now.